Hey guys, gonna undertake something a little different today. I bought myself Arctic Fox in the color Purple Rain. So this is a semi-permanent hair color. It's kind of like I've been doing a lot of research, so I guess it's similar to Overtone. That's another company where it's kind of like it's a conditioner basically with colorant in it. So it's like no peroxide, no ammonia, no alcohol, professional quality vibrant colors with added conditioner. So um, it you can use it just like on whatever your hair, and it colors your hair, but kind of like in a only semi-permanent way, and it's cruelty free and donate part of their profits to animal charities and stuff. It's not tested on animals, all kinds of stuff like that. So anyway, and it smells like grape. It literally smells like delicious grape bubble gum. It's so funny. So I thought I'd show you. I have no product in my hair. That's why it's all, and I've brushed it out. So like it's just that's why it's straight and there's no curl to it because I don't have any of my curl product or anything in it. Um, I'm way overdue for a haircut, but whatever. This is the before. Now my natural color at the roots you can see is a pretty good, dark brown. And I do have a few little streaks. Look, some of my silver glitter is coming in, just a couple here and there. And then I have like a ton of just random highlights throughout, and even I don't know if you can see the ends are definitely like shot, but anyway, they're a lot lighter, and even you can see from the underside how there's like different colors in there. So anyway, that's the before. That's what it looks like now, and I just want to do something different. I'm just like ready to try something new. So I've never tried it. I have no idea, but I watched a ton of videos. I looked it all up last night. I was like a couple hours looking at videos. It really smells like grape. And so I got that, and I got some gloves, and I'm gonna give it a go, and I'm gonna see how it works out. But I thought it'd be helpful to have a before so you can see what my color was and see what it turns into, for those who are curious, because like I said, this is an experiment for me and I've never done this before. Like I've done just a box dye before, even though it's been a while. Like a conditioned color, it deposits the color. I've never done anything like this. So I'm hoping that I will get some purple out of it, because I don't know, why not? Like I want to do something weird and different. I'm excited and nervous, and so this is the before, and through the magic of editing, hopefully I will have some after for you soon. So wish me luck. Of course, at this point, by the time you watch this, it'll be too late because it'll be over, but let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, and It is currently wet, but let's see if we can see anything. I definitely can see. Something. Oh, it's definitely purple. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can't see what it looks like in the back. And I put Vaseline around my forehead and my ears. It's definitely stained a little on my scalp, but my face looks okay. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's purple. Okay. Wow, in the mirror, like when I'm just looking, 4 feet away in the mirror, it just looks dark. It doesn't really look purple, but when I see it here in the screen, it does. So I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit and see what it looks like a little more dry. And here is the results in daylight the next day. Yes, I'm in my car. So it's purple. I love that it actually came out like purple and not burgundy. It's actually purple, and I really love it. So there you go. That is the final results for Arctic Fox Purple Rain. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this helped.